Well, hi there. And while we complain about 6 or 7 days of bad weather and another 6 or 7 days of bad weather coming, we've got to think about how there's a lot of people around the world that are a lot less fortunate than we are. I mean, why wouldn't you? So my name is Pierre. I'm a fisherman and a pensioner, and also a videographer. As you can see, recently I put some other videos up of other interests, i.e. the electron radio controlled yacht racing, the Howick Village Pop the other day, the hot rods and the cars. So there's a couple of other interests there. I do enjoy making those videos, so if any of you are out there with a club or some activity like me to come and shoot a video for you, quite happy to do it. Just drop me a comment and we'll start a conversation. I don't charge for anything. It's not a professional service. All I ask is that I publish it on my channel and your mates subscribe. So as usual, this week's video is sponsored by Top Catch Half Moon Bay. Cliff or Trish is offsider. As you walk in and the doors open up, walk in there, at the top of your voice say, "Fish on!" And tell them Pierre sent you, and either Cliff or Trish will look after you. Thanks guys, thanks for the sponsorship. Cultures. So it is a Saturday, and as I said earlier, we have had quite a lot of bad weather. There's a cyclone Lola which hammered Vanuatu, and our thoughts go out to those on the islands. And there's another cyclone coming up from the south. It is cold, it's not warm at the moment, it's only probably about 14 degrees. The water's 17 degrees, so the water's not cold. But there's a gap in the weather this morning, and you have to take it. I also have to say happy anniversary to Sheena and Henrico. Hope you have a good day. As you know from earlier videos, OutSmart is for sale, so the boat is on the market. And as summer approaches, there's a bit more interest. So this boat is on the market. It's available on TradeBee. If you go and look for it, you'll find it. It's not too hard to find. It's priced well. It's got all the accessories thrown in and serviceable. But as I said previously, rest assured, the fishing in the videos will continue. So we steamed out to the trenches off Rocky Bay, about 35 minutes, not too bad. So I'm going to put a bait down. I've got a standard 2-hook ledger rig with a bit of the old Top Catch pulleys on it. We've got a 6-ounce sinker because it is nearly 2 hours past high tide, so there's a bit of flow. We'll get this down and see. There's not much on the fish finder, but then again, as you know, my fish finder's been giving me a bit of jip. So I'm still waiting for anybody who's got any experience with a Lawrence Hook Reveal 70S to talk to me. I fiddled with the chirp settings and what have you. Now I can see the bottom accurately, but I can't see any fish. Something wrong with my fish finder. Can't see, there's no fish. It's not showing any fish. Oh well, here we go. Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo. The first baits, the first drop. Woo-hoo-hoo. That took all of 42 seconds. And there's nothing on the fish finder. There we go. First fish of the day. And I'm glad he's a little fish because he goes straight back. Bye bye. That didn't take long. Gosh. And the very next drop. Fish on! Straight away. That didn't take long either. Let's see what we got here. Woo! It's going to be one of those days. So that's the third drop down there. I've got Mr. Berkeley fishing for me while I rig up for the other camera and put this chest pad on. This feels a bit like a shoulder holster for the FBI. Well, I put fresh bait on that and I got my shoulder holster on, about to put my life jacket back on again, and there's activity on the bottom of that rod straight away. There we go, there we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. That feeling when the tip gets pulled down to the water. Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes! I don't think he's big, but so far this is number 3 for the day. And as it hit the bottom, he's taken line. Oh yes, this feels good. Come on up. He's given up the fight. It feels like he's gone. He's given up the fight, whatever he was. Gone under the boat now. Is that a snapper? What have we got here? Oh, it's a... There he goes. It's a kahawai, I suspect. Come on up. It's a huge kahawai. Look at that. And he's gone. And straight away, as we hit the bottom, fish on! And he's bobbing and he feels half decent. Come on up! Fish on! Oh, yeah. He's gone quiet again. Initial fight. I wonder if it's not a kahawai again. Oh, it's a little kahawai. But this time I think we might keep him. Yep, let's get him. We'll keep this one. They make good bait. Ah, and that's why I don't like to keep them. They bleed all over the damn boat. Get in there. Blood spatters everywhere. Like a crime scene from CSI. Fish on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Fish on. I love it, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He's taking a line and he's bobbing, so maybe it's a snappy. Come on, stay on the line. I haven't had a chance to rig the second rod. Haven't had a chance to hook up the camera. Oh, here's another kahawai. Oh, and there's two kahawai. So I've cut a few fillets off the side of that kahawai. Got the hook through it. Beautifully presented. It's like Sunday lunch to the snapper. Let's go and have a look. Let's get that down while I try and get a gap to rig the other rod. Not had time yet. Oh gosh, what a problem to have. Okay, we got him on the bottom. Give it a nice wind. Get it there. I'll put it in Rodney Holder. I'll put it in Berkeley. Let Mr. Berkeley fish that while I get the other rod ready. Don't know if I get a chance to get the other rod ready. Fish on! Oh, it doesn't feel big, but there's something there. Straight away. Never mind tapping the fingers and counting to 5. Let's see what we got. Let's hope it's a snapper. Now there's a 34 centimeter snapper. I think we'll let him go. We'll get bigger ones shortly. I know people are going to say don't let it go. There's people are going to say you don't keep them. So what can you do? So what I'm going to do with the other rod is I've got a 6 hook, two hook 6 size 6 stray line rig. Cost me $3.99 at the $2 store. So I'll put that on the big rod, let it drift back in the tide, and if we get a chance, I don't know if we're going to get it. Hey, there we go. Stay with that. Come in. Right, where was I? So I'm going to get this stray line. Oh gosh. I don't know if I'm going to get a chance. Nah, won't get a chance to do that just yet. Yep. Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh yes, oh yes. Fish on. Hey, fish on. Gosh. I love that kahawai. It must be the way I presented it. Like a Sunday lunch. Or a Saturday brunch. More like a Saturday brunch. I haven't had a chance to hook up the other. There's another one of those. Hook up the other camera, get the other rod. Oh gosh, it's like shooting fish in a barrel. So this is what that looks like. You got a leader with a light floating sinker. Oh. And 2 hooks with a little bit of luminous tape there. Luminous. Oh gosh. All right, stand by. Fish on! She doesn't feel big. Oh gosh. It's been extremely busy this morning. Oh, that's a nice looking snapper. So I got a nice large slab of kahawai. Okay, wait for me. Stay on. I've got to get this one down. So I get that large slab of kahawai on there. Get both hooks through it. Oh gosh, that could have to wait because this has got to go back. Let's see what we got here. Fish on! Fish on! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on up, oh yeah. And he's a little snapper. So this rod, it ran initially. There's something bobbing on it. Don't know what it is. Fish on. I don't think it's a snapper because he's not very lively. Here we go, got a bit of colour. Oh, here's a snapper. He's a donkey! Oh, and he didn't even put up a fight. Get him in the boat. There we go, a donkey. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. On the stray line, the $3.99 stray line, and he didn't even put up a fight. Look at that. Just beautiful. I'll use this camera, bring this one. Oh yeah, he's taken line. Oh yeah, that one's taken line. 2 fish, 2 rods, action, and this one feels good. Let's concentrate, Pierre, concentrate. Get one up at a time. Concentrate. I think, oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, he's a keeper. He's definitely a keeper. We'll take him home. I don't know if the other one's on yet, but let's get this guy. Oh, yeah, the other one's going. That is there. That is a 38. Mind the rod out the way. There's some bait on that rod. Let's get this one down. Get him in there. Right, let's get this one up. Oh, gosh, fish on. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. He feels decent. Oh yes. Fish on. And it's the same bait that I had on the previous one that brought me that 36 centimeter snapper. This one feels bigger. The other rod, I've got the other rod in, and the bait's drifting out behind the boat, but no noise from that rod yet. This one feels good. Come on. Oh, I love this light rod. Oh, he's gone again. He's seen the boat and he's gone again. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Get in. Get in. Ah, yeah. Yes. Fish on. Fish on. And he feels half decent. Still busy painting the other rod. I haven't got it out yet. Well, this one's gone off. And he feels like a good fish. That feels like a really good fish. Oh, yeah, fish off. Oh, and that one's going. 2 fish. Gonna get both cameras on. I'll turn you there. You watch that one, and I'll use this camera. Bring this one. Oh yeah, he's taking line. Oh yeah, that one's taking line. And again, fish on. The old bait. Dip the rod, put the tip of the rod in the water as he took it. Oh yeah, he's not big. Oh yeah. Yeah, as I thought, a little snapper. Oh, there's something big on there. He's taking line that way. He's taking line that way. Oh, he's bobbing. He's taking line. He's big. He's big. I don't think he's a snapper from the way that he's swum away from the boat. So he's either a kahawai or a kingfish. He's bobbing. I don't know if he's hooked properly because he's twitching. It's twitching. Come on, I'm not gaining line on him, that's for sure. This is quite big. I'll get the net ready because if we're going to bring him ashore, bring him aboard, we don't need the net. Come on, I'm not gaining on him. And he is big, whatever he is. Come on. Let's get closer. I'm in the brown, the brown braid. It's only a 15-pound braid, that. And getting him closer. Starting to win on him. He seems to put up given up the fight. Come on closer. Right, we're into the green line. So it's only about 10 meters away. The green braid. I don't see a leader yet. I don't see color. But I don't think he's a snapper the way that he ran away rather than down. He's still taking the line. But he's big. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Come closer, come closer. So around about now, that Pierre's concerned about, oh, there he is. I've tail hooked him. Oh, he's a small shark. Ah, oh, not again. Not again. I've tail hooked a shark. Now, they don't like to swim backwards, so I've got to get rid of him quickly. But he's a big one. He's fairly large. Gosh, he took off though. Oh, there's a hammerhead as well. All right, let's get him a bit closer, see if we can free him up. I don't want to. They don't like to go backwards. They're not designed to go backwards. Come closer. Gosh, that's a fairly large hammerhead shark. This has gone quiet. We've been sitting here for, what is the time now, 11? About an hour and a half. Got 3 nice snapper in the bin. And just time to catch my breath. It's been busy as, busy, which is great. It's lovely, it's beautiful. And maybe it's a time while we're waiting for the next bite, it's just time to say thanks to you guys for watching, and especially thanks to those of you that subscribed, and we're on here, and the recent subscribers this last couple of weeks. Welcome aboard. Fish on. Oh gosh, just as I was saying, time to catch my breath. Yeah, fish on. And he's going a bit this way and a bit that way. Don't think he's, oh, it might be a snapper, I don't know. What have we got here? Oh, we got another shark. When you start catching sharks, it's time to go home. So as I was saying, when that shark interrupted me, we've had about 7 or 8 new subscribers this last week, and to those guys, thank you and welcome aboard. Hope you enjoy. To the rest of you, those who have subscribed, a big thank you from me. We're up to 539 subscribers. I've got to get to 1,000 before I can think about the next step with YouTube. But it's been good fun, and those of you who've not subscribed, I urge you, tap the subscribe button. You don't have to hit the bell, which will send you a reminder when there's a new video up, but you just tap the subscriber button. Oh, that one's going off. Okay, let's get this done. Yeah, right. Oh, what do we got here? Fish on. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. As I was saying, hit the subscribe button. It doesn't send you spam or emails or anything, and it's anonymous to me. I don't even know who you are unless you send me a comment or something. But subscribers are anonymous, and there's no scam or no spam or no further contact. So do me a favor, smash that like button, smash the subscriber button, and if you enjoy a video, any video, go back and see some of the other videos. Smash the share button, and then you can push it out to your Instagram or your Facebook, to all your followers. I appreciate that. Right, let's get some bait down. And while I'm baiting up the big rod, look at this. You guys keep an eye on that. I'm going to get this bait down. Oh, there we go. Quickly, let's get some bait down. Oh, there he goes. Right, let's see what we got here. We got anything? What do you guys reckon? You think there's something on there? Yeah, there is. Fish on. Nothing on the other rod. Look how calm this water's become. Can you guys believe it? Just look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Hard to believe the weather we've had recently and the weather that's coming. Gosh, and there was only about 6 or 7 trailers down in the trailer park this morning, so yeah. I think I'm going to spend another few minutes, see what I catch, and then possibly, I know there is expected to blow a bit this afternoon, but gosh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's interest on there. Bite it! Bite it! What do you reckon? I think it's on? What do you guys reckon? Reel it in? Love it, love it, love it. And as I reach for the VHF, there's a bit of action on this rod. I don't know if he's on there.
Turning southeast, 20 knots, gusting at 30 knots, early afternoon. Rising to easterly, 25 knots, gusting at 35 knots. That's 30 knots, gusting at 40 knots, about the Coastal Channel in the evening.
There's one on there.
Becoming rough in the evening. Partly cloudy with fair visibility and afternoon showers. Easterly swell 1 metre, developing. Sunday, easterly 30 knots, rising to 40 knots in the morning.
30 knots rising to 40 tomorrow morning.
Rain. Northeast swell rising 2-3 metres.
Aye.
Monday, easterly 3 Tamaki, peak 1, 4, average 8, from 1, 0, 2.
Well, they reckon it's blowing 14 knots. Maybe down there it's not blowing 14 knots where I am. So the boat's gone quiet again. The wind is predicted to get up this afternoon. It's obviously very little wind at the moment, and I think I might just pack up and head home. It'd be lovely to shoot home in this flat water. So yesterday I went jogging for the first time in a long time. That darn ice cream truck would not slow down. Well, there you have it, another glorious half a day out fishing on the Hauraki Gulf. What a pleasure, what a beautiful morning, and what good fun, what great fun. Thanks for coming along, you guys. Thanks for keeping me company and enjoying it. I've still got a bit to do. I've got to put the boat on the trailer, get the boat home, wash the boat down, fillet the fish, have a shower. I'm going to cook dinner tonight. I've got guests, my son, daughter-in-law and the baby coming around, so I'm going to cook the snapper. I've got about, I'm going to download and edit all the video footage from the different cameras, probably 4 or 5 hours worth of editing to do as well. So this video will be published tomorrow afternoon, Sunday afternoon sometime, and by then the mighty Springboks will have been crowned as the new Rugby World Champions. So well done, guys, all the best. So if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, smash the like button and hit the share button and send it to all your mates and post it to your social media. And if you're not subscribed, I'd really ask you to consider subscribing. It'll be good to have you on board. Other than that, I think storm's going to blow through, and then catch you next week.